Morning bath. Take a morning bath of the duck.
Their brother and sister over there.
Maybe that's her kid.
Yeah, because
Well, she's teaching how to. What happening to the duck?
teaching how to go deep in the water.
I don't know.
Why does it look like that? It's drowning.
It's drowning the other duck. Let me see. I don't know.
I thought there was a duck in the water. He's massaging.
I don't know to this duck.